Good morning students. So today we will talk about a very interesting topic, that is fun with magnet. We have already discussed with you magnets are the substances or the material which are having the property of attracting the iron object towards it. Iron objects toward it. For example, I have this iron pin with me and you can see this is simply sticking with a magnet. So magnets are those material which are having property of attracting the iron particles or iron objects. Got it? Then we have already discussed with you that magnets has two poles. How many poles magnet have?
Two.
One pole is called as north pole, another pole is called as south pole. If I suspend this magnet in the air with the help of a thread, it will always rest in a position which is called as north-south position. And one more important thing, can this magnet attract a piece of paper from very far distance?
No, sir.
Piece of iron? No. It will only attract this iron from a small distance. So the area around which this magnet force can be experienced is called as
Magnetic field.
Yes, very good. That is called as
Magnetic field.
magnetic field. So magnetic field is an area around the magnet in which we can experience its force of attraction or repulsion also. If we will brought two same pole together like this, you will see. These are the two different poles. These are two different poles, that's why it is sticking. But if I am opposing it like this, they are not sticking together. It means the same pole of a magnet repel each other. And unlike pole, different poles attract each other. So there is one activity which is given in your book. Suppose we will take this disposal glass. This is made up of paper. I have put a magnet over it, inside it, and we will try to float this pin with the help of this magnet. So just observe it. You can see it is now attaching with it. I am trying to float it. You can see it is floating in here.
Yes, sir.
Are you happy after looking this activity?
Yes, sir.
Just clap. You can see it is floating in here like this. Now I have another activity which I want to perform. You can see I have iron filing with me, or you can say iron powder. Just zoom it. This is iron powder. No need to zoom, it is easily visible to all of them. You can see.
Yes,
Observe it.
Yes, sir.
This is a blackish powder, but actually it is iron. Iron. Now I am showing you this activity. Just try to observe. I have a bar magnet with me. This is a bar magnet,
Yes, sir.
and inside I am just putting this bar magnet in the iron filing like this. And you will observe, just observe it, they are attaching more on the two parts of this magnet. They are not uniformly attached with the magnet. You can see these are more attached with the two part of a magnet. These two parts are actually called as poles of a magnet. So what we have concluded from it, that poles have very strong magnetic field. पोल्स के ऊपर पावर क्या है, ज्यादा, इसीलिए पोल्स पे ज्यादा चीजें अट्रैक्ट हो रही हैं. आपको लग रहा होगा कि नहीं मैंने ऐसे किया है. आई विल डू इट अगेन. आई विल रिमूव इट. यू कैन सी
Yes, sir.
I have removed it. I will show it to you. Don't worry. Keep sitting at your seats. I know you are feeling very excited after observing these activities, but in most of the chapter I am showing you these activities. So this is also NCERT activity. You can see here. Again I am trying to put it here. There is a change in the pattern? No. Same pattern you can observe. Why? Because these iron filings are attached more at the poles than at the center. So I hope you have enjoyed this activity.
Yes, sir.
You have enjoyed this activity?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.